wiggle wire into the U channel.
C channel.
U channel.
Oh. Okay. Try that again.
I've been calling it C channel too, but it wasn't.
According to the instructions in the picture, the pictograph, they call this
U channel.
So we're just going in and retightening.
Yes.
And also just wanted to give you the opportunity to see how that wiggle wire is placed into the U channel. So we're rolling up the plastic to give us the ability to pull tighter. And then to place the wiggle wire, you wiggle it up and down, or back and forth.
You got used to doing it the other way. Now
I did.
it's complicated.
It is.